He put Prahlad on his lap and he licked him like a cat. And he was hankering for more Vatsalya. So he had to come in a different form. So there's some Vatsalya there, and this Adbhuta, this astonishing ras, and this Vibhatsa, this ghastly ras of entrails everywhere. That's his lila, that's his pleasure, that's the prem. These are all aspects of prem. Vatsalya prem. Then this guna ras, these secondary supporting rasas, Vibhatsa and Adbhuta. This is a relish, and the Lord is relishing prem. Prem is giving him a taste, a thrill, variety. And he displays it for us. He doesn't just go in a closet and do all these things. He's not a closet Krishna. Krishna can go in a closet and act all his leelas. No one can ever see them or hear about them. But they're displayed on the streets of Nadia, right there, public view. Thousands of people seeing this golden madman running down the street. Kill him! Kill him! Where is he? Hiranyakashipu kahan? Ayuk Hiranyakashipu, huh? I'll kill you. And this is a summary. Only a few things are told here. Who wrote this book? He was 95 years old or 80 years old when Krishnadas Kaviraj wrote this book. He says, my hand, I'm trembling. My eyes don't work. I can't write. So he's just getting bits and pieces here and there. He says he's ready to kill the atheists. Pashandi marite. Marite. What does he say? He's chanting Maro, Maro, Maro. He's running. What do you think he's doing? He's walking down. He's walking down the street with like this. He's holding a club in his hand like this. We have to understand. I mean, the whole thing is just. I mean, obviously the club is raised. It's in his hand. His arm is extended, and he's just walking down the street doing Mohnbrat, mumbling to himself, just going for a walk, carrying this club or dragging some cricket bat along the ground behind you. If you lose the match, you feel dejected. He's running. His eyes. What does it say? It just gives you kind of a little bit of the idea of the anubhavas. These are the anubhavas. The eyes are red. Here from Chaitanya Mangal, Lochan's telling his eyes were red. His hair was standing on end. What does that mean? It means he had an afro. No, I mean you can imagine. Like sometimes they make posters of Kali Bhairav, and her hair is going up like this, straight up, like she stuck her hand in electricity or something. So it says his hair standing out, and Lord Chaitanya had shoulder-length hair, right? This is before sannyas. So hair standing out, and it's all like scattered out, straight out. What does it look like? It looks like the mane of a lion. The mane of a lion. You know a lion? A male lion has like hair sticking out all around his chin and his face. It's going like this, no? It's going up. You ever see lion? Little face and hair going out like this. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's face, all the hair is going out like this. He doesn't have to wear any mask. He'll put on some lion mask. And his eyes are red, flaming red, because he's in anger. He's got this club. The club is taking the role of his nails. And he's running down the street. And what is he saying? Maro, Maro, Pashandi Maro, Maro, Maro. Kill the atheist, kill the atheist.